Genuine machinery, unleashing heavy-duty power for global projects. 12重 lifting power, XCMG boom, precision hydraulics, built tough, built strong. Sinotruk 号5 8x4 chassis, all-terrain mobility, stable, safe, reliable. We export worldwide. OEM, LDM supported, your trusted partner. Contact us today for your free quote. Genuine machinery, heavy duty, worldwide.